Did you know that the quarter ending June 2020 saw a great upsurge in the sales of vacuum cleaners, dishwashers, washing machines, trimmers, epilators and other product in the category of DIY, that is do it yourself. Companies which have been dealing in these products have explained that the demand of these products has gone up from 50% to even 200% in certain cases. But my dear friends, why it is so important? Why it is having such a large significance for the Indian economy? To understand this, watch this video till end. Friends, my name is Rakesh Sharma and I empower the business owners and sales people to maximize their profits and grow their business. Friends, this upsurge in sales of DIY product is happening because of one particular phenomenon, and that is that the availability of domestic help workers in the country has been uncertain since the COVID-19, and therefore the menfolk have started stepping into the household work on a day-to-day basis, and as a result of that, the middle class India and the upper middle class India is actually now buying lots of products which are going to help them to reduce the manual labor. Friends, I can see that domestic help supply in the country is going to be uncertain even times to come, and this will lead to increase in the usage of DIY category product even further. Therefore, it is going to boost up the economic activity in this particular category of product, and that is why the business people who are dealing with these kind of products have a golden opportunity with them. If you are a retailer, then you must focus on the sales of domestic help products. Then you will definitely have a golden opportunity to earn lots of revenues in your business. If you are an ancillary manufacturing unit providing these components to the OEMs, then you must focus on the timely delivery of these products and ensure that all your products quality is very high. If you are an OEM, you must increase your investment in the research and development of these category of product. With the help of this, you will be able to reduce your dependence on the import, and you will be able to bring in lots of new quality products in the country. This will help you to grow your business multifold. My dear friends, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching the video and wait till tomorrow for another business news analysis.